Hello everyone, thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about myself and my Evision journey. I am Prashant. I am basically from Amravati, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation from Abysis College of Engineering in the field of mechanical. After completing this engineering, I was searching for a job in IT company but I can't get success. One day, my friend told me about Evision and I also got to know about Evision from social networking site. Then I browsed all the information about Evision from their official website and contact to admin team of Evision. Evision is a IT recruitment company and it is also best firm for those who want to join IT company. Then I decided to join full day job internship program of Evision company. After joining this program, I learned so many things like basic of networking, Windows administration, cyber security and CCNA. Very firstly, I learned about basic of networking and this session is conducted by Roshan sir, in which I learned what is networking, what are the types of networking like LAN, MAN, WAN, CAN. Also the network based topology like a ring star mesh topology. Also I learned about various types of devices like a router, hub, switch. After that I learned about virtualization and cloud computing. After completing this I learned about peer-to-peer model and client server model. Also I learned about OSI model and DCP model, and very lastly I learn about media, in which I learn various types of cables like cross through cable and twisted cable. After completing this session, I learn about Windows administration, and this session is conducted by Rahul Das sir, in which I learn theoretical knowledge as well as practical knowledge. In practical knowledge, I learn how to create a work group and domain, how to work with the DNS server and Windows server. Also, I learn about how to create a new user and administrator account, how to activate administrator account. Also I learn about troubleshooting and outgoing mailing also. After completing this session I learn about CCNA, and this session is conducted by Debojit sir, in which I learn about how to create a computer network by using various types of devices like a repeater, hub, switch. Also I learn about various types of multiple routing protocols like RIP and ERGIP. Also I learn about internet protocol and their types like IP version 4 and IP version 6. And very lastly I learn about cyber security, and this session is conducted by Manu sir, which is in which I learn about information gathering tool and system hacking. In every weekend there is a mock interview and PPT presentation, and because of that I improve my confidence, and now I am ready to face any type of interview in IT company and crack that interview in a first attempt. Thank you so much.